Welcome to Tech Baba, your ultimate guide to web development. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, we've got you covered with tips, tutorials, and insights into the latest web development technologies. From HTML and CSS to JavaScript, PHP, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, SQL, React, and Node.js, we'll explore every aspect of web development and help you build the skills you need to succeed. So join us on this journey and let's unlock the power of web together. Before we begin, subscribe now to stay up to date with the latest web brands and technologies.
In the early days of the internet, the only way to access it was through text based interfaces such as command line prompts or terminal emulators. This meant that the web development was limited to creating static text based pages that were accessible through web browsers like Lynx or Mosaic. One of the first languages used for web development was HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML was created in the early 1990s by Tim Berners-Lee, who is credited with inventing the World Wide Web. HTML was designed to allow users to create web pages that could be accessed and shared through the internet. In the early days of the web development, HTML was the only language available for creating web pages. However, as web pages became more complex, other programming languages like JavaScript and CSS were developed. The first website ever created was created by Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the World Wide Web, in 1991. The first website was actually a simple page that provided information about the World Wide Web and how to use it. The page included basic information about hypertext, HTML, URLs, as well as links to other pages that provided more detailed information. The URL of the first website is given below. This page is no longer available at its original URL, but a copy of the page has been preserved and can be viewed at the new URL. So, in the next chapter, we will start learning about HTML and the basics of HTML elements.